What's up, Valley Gems? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I decided to clean my mother's room. She has not been feeling well lately, so I wanted to do something that would assist in helping her feel better. As you can see, she has piles and piles of stuff everywhere. My mother is 75 years old, guys, and she doesn't move around like she used to. So she doesn't put away the things that necessarily needs to be put away. She just kind of throws them around. As you can see, there is a little pathway that she can walk through, but as you can see, she gets so that she just puts things everywhere and can't put them back in the right places. So I decided to just, start working and getting her things put in order so she could have some sigh of relief. So I started cleaning off her vanity. As you can see, her vanity had a lot of stuff on it, so I decided just to put things away. So I started putting things in boxes and, the unnecessary stuff, just putting things away. There was a lot of dust, so I decided just to make sure I cleaned up all the dust. And look at all this stuff, just a lot of trash and stuff. Just cleaned it up, just so she can feel better, about coming into a room and not seeing a bunch of mess hanging around. So guys, just continue to watch the video and just look at the final reveal of how I just cleaned up my mom's room. Okay? Okay, Mom.